Hi guys, and here's what's in my fridge. First off, we've got a cheese feast pizza. It's got 3 different cheeses on. And we've got a pepperoni pizza. These are good just for like if you want to have a night where you watch films and cook some pizza. Cheaper than takeaway. We've also got a value cheese and onion quiche. We've got 2 of those because we love quiche. And we've got 2 blocks of British mature cheddar by Tesco. We've got some minced beef. We've also got braised beef and mash. That's an instant ready meal. And we've got yogurts, Muller Light yogurt. We've got some cooked ham, 10 slices. We've got some Dairy triangles. It's cheese that you put on bread. Sorry, the fridge is just beeping. It does that if you leave the fridge open for so long, which is good. We've got some Flora Light, Utterly Butterly. It's margarine that's supposed to taste like butter. I don't really like that one. 2 fresh oranges. These are for me, but there's one thing, I can't use them. The straws have fell off, so I need to get some straws. Lots and lots of sachets of salad cream. I steal these from Wetherspoons, which is a cheap restaurant. 2 bottles of wine. That's white wine. This is rosé wine. And a bottle of milk. So that's what's in the fridge, which is a hot point. Thanks for watching this video. See you all in my next video. Bye.